What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have a couple of watch faces from Szazs Designs. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This watch face is called Digital Sport, and it definitely has a sporty look to it, especially if you're using the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier like I'm using. Another thing I like about this watch face is that it has a sweeping dot that goes all the way around the watch face, so that acts as your seconds counter. But if you look to the right side of the watch face, you'll also have a numerical count for that as well. And like I said, this has a lot of information. It's very clean, very easy to read, and just an all-around great looking watch face. For your display options, you have week of the year, the day of the week, month of the year, your steps, your distance in either miles or kilometers, your floor count, which is available for the Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3, and the Gear Sport, your step progress, your burn calories, your heart rate, your battery status, your battery indicator, and day of the year. You have 6 app shortcuts that are available on the watch face. You have the scheduler, alarm, steps, S-Health, weather, and measuring your heart rate. And if you double tap in the middle of the watch face, you're able to change colors. And speaking of colors, there's 8 color variations, so you can have a different look every day of the week. This watch face is called the Predator Digital, and by far one of the most unique watch faces I've seen on the Gear App Store. Now, digital because at the bottom of the watch face you can actually see the time, but in the center of the watch face you can see the time in Predator time with the hash marks. Now, if you look closely at the hash marks, if you count each one, it actually gives you the time. And if you look at the far right towards the 15 on the outer bezel, or on the inner bezel of the watch, that acts as your seconds counter. So all of those hash marks, if you count them, they actually give you the information. Now, it took me a little bit to get used to the hash marks to read the time, because I would just naturally gravitate towards the bottom of the watch to see what time it is. But now I can look at the watch face and tell what time it is. Excellent job with this watch face. With this watch face, the information that you'll have available to you is the day of the year, battery status, month of the year, the day of the week, your burn calories, digital time in a 12 or 24-hour format, your step progress, your steps, moon phase, heart rate, week of the year, and the battery indicator. Here you have 8 application shortcuts: your battery, alarm, messages, phone, contacts, weather, measuring your heart rate, and schedule. And if you like the last watch face, if you double tap in the middle, you can change the colors of the watch face. And here you can see that you have 10 color variations, and you have selectable color animations. So you can definitely have a different look going on with the watch face. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.